On a rainy evening, Ella decided to unwind by playing an old record she found tucked away in the attic. As the needle dropped, the room filled with a soothing melody that soon lulled her into a sense of nostalgia. But then, amidst the harmonious notes, a chilling voice began to whisper her name, echoing through the shadows. Her heart pounded in her chest, and she hurried to lift the needle, but found her fingers trembling and unwilling. The record player continued, its lid now mysteriously closed, the voice growing louder, weaving promises of secrets untold. Ella backed away, only to see the reflection of a figure standing next to her in the antique mirror on the wall. It was a mirror she had inherited, and the figure looked eerily similar to a childhood portrait of her late grandmother. With a final fervent whisper, "I'm here for you," the needle lifted on its own, the record stopped, and Ella found herself alone, the room silent once more,